What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it's always great to see things that are climbing. And today we see Shiba Inu that's continuing to climb while the market doesn't really look as positive. Now, I wanted to talk about Shiba Inu moving and what we're seeing within it and go through maybe some technical analysis and what we do see, currently what we've seen in the past, what I expect throughout the future, and then, go from there. So, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, some people have been asking me about the use of Shiba Inu or why Shiba Inu is even a thing. And my response to them when I explain what's up with Shiba Inu and why Shiba Inu is even this valuable. And honestly, it's because of the community. It's because of people like you that watch videos like this, that go on Twitter and respond to different comments, that go and follow, the Shiba Inu ecosystem dev team, and all the different businesses that are out there. It's because of the community and why this is so popular and the price is so high. The overall market cap is so high compared to things that people may look at and go, this has an actual use case. So there's a lot of people that are maybe angry that create something that has a use case behind it or a thought process behind it and why they created it. But then you have Shiba Inu that really is just controlled and all about the community. Nothing else that's created by the actual creator, but people that are creating around it. And I know it could be difficult to take in when you're like, oh, well, you know what? This is a meme play or any meme play that really runs, but it's all about the community for those plays. And that's why I think that, Shiba Inu in the bull run will be worth so much more. But a lot of people are like, no, it's not going to be worth so much more because we're going to need utility out of it. And not necessarily, you don't really need utility out of a project, even though Shiba Inu, for a lot of different businesses, if something is popular enough, they will provide the utility. That's what's interesting. Like the bill pay service, having Shiba Inu offered on there and being able to use Shiba Inu, that's not the creator that's coming out and saying, yeah, you know what, let's get them on this or let's create this product. No, it's the service that's like Shiba Inu is popular. A lot of people have it. Let's offer it. And now it creates a little bit of hype around their service and everybody wins. So for people thinking that it doesn't have a use case, just popularity has a big use case. Think of it similar to this, and then we'll get into what Shiba Inu is doing today. Think of it similar to this. Like if you have a popular YouTube channel with 5 million subscribers, you're going to have a lot of sponsorships that come on and say, hey, we want you to promote our project, right? We want you to promote our product or whatever. And it's the same thing because Shiba Inu in the community with just having that news now pushes up every other product that it's a part of. So that's what its use is. Popularity, I guess. So anyways, guys, like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Let's go ahead and dive into Shiba Inu and what it is doing today. Because Shiba Inu, unlike AMC, I don't know if you pay attention to the stock market, but AMC is getting wrecked. But unlike AMC, Shiba Inu is actually running today. It's making some moves, about 9% up today. Definitely putting a like an exclamation point or a period on dropping that zero because we're now at I'm not saying that it couldn't drop again, but we're now at 4 zeros and at a comfortable spot, 4 zeros, looking at 4 zeros 11. However, the markets do not look as positive, right? You see the overall market, if you look up at the top of the screen, if you can see that, it's at a $1.17 trillion market cap, which is flat. If we start to see the markets that are coming back, Shiba Inu may play catch up to the rest of the market. So just be aware of that. But right now, we're seeing it above the drop zero level. And it's great to see it at that level because now we're looking at about a $6.4 billion market cap. So again, it's great to see it growing. It's great to see it move. But again, some people will look at this and go, why is Shiba Inu worth 6.4 billion? But it is worth 6.4 billion because of, the people that are supporting it in every place that they can. Not saying that they're just supporting the ecosystem dev team and what they're doing, because a lot of those things don't really help out SHIB, but the hype behind it, the different news sources that are covering it, it's creating more popularity. So that's the reason why. It's the community, and it just gets bigger and bigger every single day, no matter where the price is. We are seeing volume that's up 109% to $636 million. That is amazing to see that much volume. We haven't seen a hell of a lot of volume in a while, and I would love to see it reach multiple billions like it used to when the markets were kind of bullish. Um, and even when the market started to be bearish, we started to see some selling that was going on, but that's still in the form of money. But the volume to market cap ratio currently is at about a 10%, which I love to see, because that definitely confirms that there is popularity there. If we look at the circulating supply, that's one thing that we do focus on heavily, is seeing the supply decrease, which for the last 2 years, we haven't seen the supply decrease at all. We had the overall mindset that we were going to be able to decrease this supply fast with the community building different projects, but all of those things have kind of fallen off the face of the earth because they haven't been supported as much to maintain those, right? You're running a business, you need to maintain the business while also being able to burn off Shiba Inu. So if you have a coffee company and you don't have people buying the coffee, or you have just a select few of people buying the coffee that like the coffee, but then other people, a lot of other people in the world that don't, well, you still need money to maintain the business. And if you don't have that, you're going to go out of business. It's not about burning SHIB, because I think they burned like 10%. It's about just having product and selling product, right? So anyways, we want to be able to burn down that circulating supply, which apparently will come with Shibarium, but that's for a bunch of other videos. Hopefully that's the case, but not 100% confirmed there. Now, if we go into, I guess, a little bit of, technical analysis, just to see where things are and how it looks like when it comes to my indicators that I usually put up. So I typically I do want to bring up RSI as well to see how strong it is. Now, I believe this is the day charts that we are looking at here. So within the day chart, we're definitely at a point to where right now we're a little bit overbought. But we are, pushing up, and we may end up seeing a little bit of a resistance here, and that's fine. We got up to this point before, or close to this point, and it may be close to resisting somewhere around the 12 level. So look out for that, and hopefully it just breaks through, right? If we see everything really run to a whole nother level, sorry, I'm getting messages here. We may end up seeing this skyrocket if it does break through that point, because you have a lot of room to go or grow above that. So whether you're 1400 or whether you're looking at a level of 15 or 1600, you have a lot of room above that. And honestly, it's not a ridiculous market cap to get there. The only thing is that the markets, right? If the markets are red, then it's going to find a way to play catch up. It just does, right? You're not going to have enough money to continuously invest if people are not making money elsewhere. So we need to see that happen. But we are about to see the crossover of the 15 moving average and 200 EMA, but it has been climbing pretty steadily for the last, I guess, let's look at month or so, because it's leading up to Shibarium being released. So I'm hype about the SHIB. So we will see what does happen the rest of the day. And if it does play catch up to the market, let's hope the market just goes insanely positive, and then we don't have to worry about that. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.